This structure is over 110 years old, and parts of it are now said to be carefully removed. But what makes this really interesting is what it was actually built for. This is the Barwon Sewer Aqueduct, and it stretches for more than 750 metres across the floodplain of the Barwon River. But it wasn't built for cars, people or trains. It was built for something most cities hide underground today: sewage. Built between 1913 and 1915, this is a major example of early reinforced concrete engineering in Victoria. 14 massive spans, each one carrying wastewater safely across the floodplain as Geelong grew. At the time, this kind of large-scale concrete structure was part of a global shift in engineering, as cities moved towards more durable industrial-scale infrastructure. But here's what most people miss. This structure wasn't just functional, it was part of an early wave of experimental concrete design for its era. By the early 1990s, it was taken out of service. A new pipeline was built under the river, and the aqueduct was left behind. Over time, the surrounding area also became restricted and closed off. And after more than a century, exposure to weather and time has taken its toll. Cracks, surface decay and weakening concrete, it's no longer just historic, it's deteriorating. Planning and heritage management have identified that parts of the structure may need to be removed as its condition continues to decline. Before any works begin, the site will be carefully documented, with detailed scanning and digital modelling, to preserve a full record of what exists today. And there is also the possibility that once works are complete, this corridor could eventually be opened up for public access in a new form. For over 100 years, this aqueduct has stood quietly as part of Geelong's hidden infrastructure, rarely noticed, rarely understood. Now, it's reaching a turning point. So the question is, when something has stood this long and carried so much history, should it be preserved completely, or is change sometimes the right step? What do you think? Leave your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to hit like and please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. Thank you.